I'm dying right now. Thousands of pieces of me are falling off your body as you watch this. You don't feel it. You don't see it. But it's happening.
I'm your skin, and by the end of this video, you'll never look at me the same way again. Let me tell you what it's really like to be the barrier between you and the entire world.
Fact number 1.
If you stretch me out, I'd cover about 2 square meters. That makes me your largest organ. Not your heart, not your brain, me. And yet, I'm usually treated like a cosmetic problem.
Fact number 2.
I weigh around 8-10 pounds, almost as much as your brain. But here's the difference. Your brain thinks, I keep you alive. Without me, your body would lose fluids, overheat, and get infected fast. When was the last time you actually thought about me before something went wrong?
Fact number 3.
I'm constantly replacing myself. Every minute, you lose 30,000 to 40,000 of my cells. Every month, I rebuild almost entirely. You believe you're the same person. Physically, you're wearing a new version of me every 28 days.
Fact number 4.
That dust in your house, a big part of it, is me. Dead skin cells. Not glamorous, but proof I'm working non-stop. If this is making you rethink your own body, pause for 1 second. Hit like.
It tells the algorithm this kind of content matters, and we're about to get into the part most people have no idea about.
Fact number 5.
I'm your frontline defense. Pollution, bacteria, viruses, chemicals, they all hit me first. I take the damage so your organs don't have to. You call it just skin, I call it war.
Fact number 6.
I control your temperature. When you sweat, you complain. But sweating is me cooling you down. Without that system, your internal temperature would spike, and that's dangerous. Discomfort is sometimes survival. So now you know, I'm not just a surface. The real question is, are you protecting me the way I protect you? Your daily habits might be aging me faster than you think. And once I'm damaged, I'll always recover. Subscribe, and let's fix that.